Disabling two-factor authentication on YouTube Music can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on the Security tab located in the left-hand menu to access your account security options. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and locate the two-step verification option. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your password. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Input your password to continue to the next step. Step 5. Turn off two-step verification. On the two-step verification page, find the option to turn it off. Click the Turn Off button and confirm your choice when prompted. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled for your YouTube Music account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.